Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am going to be doing a video about my zodiac sign. I got this idea from James Charles and Nikki Tutorials. I had seen James Charles do it and then I saw Nikki Tutorials do it and I was like, I'm gonna do it. So I'm going to do that. So I'm gonna be basically reading my zodiac sign to you guys and creating and look inspired by it. I actually looked up which colors go with my sign, so I'm going to be using those colors. And yeah, I'm so excited to do this because I have seen these videos and I was like, this looks interesting. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and moisturize first because I have not done that and it's really early in the morning. I have like bags going on here, not bags, but I am tired. And I was like, I'm going to force myself to wake up and film because seems like that's the only way I'm going to be able to do it now, for right now. So my zodiac sign is that I am a Libra. And oh my god, hopefully I don't get it in my hair because every time I film, I get it on my hair. But yeah, I am a Libra. And I feel like I'm so a Libra, but I'm going to read so I'll let you guys know why I think I'm such a Libra. But I also looked up my birth chart and my moon is Taurus and my adjacent, which is rising sign, it is Leo. So those are my signs in my birth chart. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about it. I don't think I'm that bad of a person. I don't think I am, to be honest. I feel like me being a Libra is just, I'm just too nice, if anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and read what my sign says. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I'm gonna go back with this and prime my face. So let me know in the comments below what are your signs and what is your birth chart and what does it mean. Let me know if you feel like you guys relate to it or you think they got it so wrong. Let me know because beginning I was like, wait, what are birth charts? And I am so confused of how they even work and how do you find out. And apparently if you go to like a website, you can enter your name and your birthday and time, the day that you were born, which is your birthday, what city you were born in and time, and you submit it and you basically it tells you everything there. I had to do a lot of research for me to know because I am not like a zodiac freak. Not a freak, but I don't really know so much about zodiac signs. So I wasn't sure what I was looking at. So I had to make research. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started and read mine. Because if not, then I'm just going to keep talking. You know, I don't want to keep talking. So my sun, it is obviously a Libra, which is your, zodiac sign. It says that Libras are natives and generally thought to be social, somewhat intellectual souls. They have an almost innocent way about them that makes them very approachable. I think this is so true because I remember when I was small, obviously I told you guys I've been like really shy. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've told you guys that I've been really shy when I was young, and I feel like people think of me like, oh, like little Yadi, like, you're so innocent and you're so like, tiny and all that stuff. And the way I am, I just kind of gave that vibe that I was very innocent. And I've always gotten that comment that people are like, no, you wouldn't do that, So I kind of do relate to this. So that is spot on. The next one is his Libras are peace loving. In the practice, they can quietly stir up all sorts of trouble with their ways. But Libras enjoy balance in their lives. They seek the middle ground. In the process, they may end up trying to be everything to everyone. And that is so true because I don't know if you guys saw one of my videos. I don't know where I said it. Where I kind of said that I always try to please everybody. And if my mom wants to go out or my boyfriend, I always want to make sure that they're happy. That is something I struggle with all the time because I just want everyone to be happy and just enjoy themselves because I don't want to upset anybody, So I feel like that is where I feel like I'm such a Libra in that way. This is where their reputation of untruthfulness comes from. Generally, their truth spring from a true desire for peace and fairness, although they may not be comfortable with direct and malicious trickery. That is so true. I'm not saying that like I'm not malicious. I feel like sometimes since I don't want to either feel bad about something, I feel I have to find a way to kind of not feel bad. And I even feel bad doing that. So, yeah, it's really, really hard to be in my brain because I'm always confusing. Now I'm going to be going in with my Milk Makeup Flex Concealer. This concealer is so good, and I really love this under my eyes because I feel like it doesn't make me crease. It also says that people involved with Libras may crib about their lack of directness, and their apparent inability to take a stand. Librians are experts at avoiding being the one to blame when they're confronted. They'll calmly and reasonably say, "What me? No, I just want peace." On the fence, middle ground, middle road. These are all expressions that they can safely associate with the Libra. And that is so true. I hate getting blamed for things because I'm like, no, that's not me. Like, I would not do that. And I always want, like, just to be like, okay, like, it's fine, you know, like, I really don't like being blamed for things because it really bothers me because I feel like that's not the kind of person I am, and I don't want to be that kind of person. So it's just, this man, I relate to this so much, so much, and it's just crazy. It says Librians are known for comparing and thinking in relative terms instead of in absolutes. This weekend, this is just not a good weekend. It's better than last weekend. These people are always looking for the best way or the best right to live. And that is so true. I honestly sometimes feel like I make excuses. I'm like, no, not today. It's just better next week, or, you know, just stuff like that. So I really, really do relate to this. I feel like I have not seen something in a Libra that I'm not. I feel like I'm such a Libra. My birthday is September 23rd. So it's like the first day of being a Libra. And that's also the first day of fall, which I love. And yeah, it's just freaking crazy. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set with my Laura Mercier powder. We're gonna go ahead and set our under eyes. I really have to freaking dig in there under my eye because of the creases that I have, and I am not a fan of that because I hate them so much. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera, but I really want to talk to you guys about this Benefit Bravo conditioner primer from Benefit, and it's like this gel kind of thing where you put it on before you actually do your brows, and you basically put it on, let it dry a bit, and then you go on and doing your brows. But I really, really love the fact that you can just kind of apply this on your brows and it just kind of keeps them in place. And I just love the way this looks. I mean, the sucky thing is that whenever you do your makeup like I did right now, it might take a little bit of the product off, but it's because it's on your brows, you know what I'm saying? So it's on that. But I really like, because I feel like it combs it kind of tames the hairs down a little bit. Do you see what I'm doing there? It's just really, really cool. So I just really want to tell you guys that. So I'm going to go ahead and do my brows off camera, and I'll be right back. So I did the rest of my face off camera, but I also just want to do my eyes already because I just want to get into it, because I googled the colors that are for like Libras and everything, and there was a lot of them that said baby blue, baby pink, like a pastel kind of mint color, and I was like, those are cute colors. But also Libras are known for balance, and what's better yet to do a balance of eyeliner. You know how hard it is to kind of balance the eyeliner and make it equal. I'm not only going to do one, I'm also going to do a top, so it's kind of like an advanced eyeliner that I'm going to be doing, and that is a plan today. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my eyes. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and I'm going to be using this to prime my lid because I am going to be using color, and I really want those colors to stick and kind of look very vibrant. And I really like this primer because it really does help for the shadows to look like that. So I'm going to go ahead and just add a little bit and tap it all over my lid and just make sure that I apply it there. Okay, so I'm going to be getting the ColourPop. This is their Strawberry Shake. I'm going to be getting the shade Take a Sip. And we're going to be packing that on the inner corner. But it's not really like that baby pink that I want. So I'm going to go in with the white and go on top of it, so we can kind of see if that tones it down a little bit. I'm going to be adding this to my inner corner and just tapping it in there and making sure that it is packed. And we're going to go ahead and just blend it out. But make sure that it's really, really packed in there. And next, I am going to be going in with the shade C1 from the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Norvina palette. We're going to go in with this. And it's going to kind of coat that on top of the pink and make it a little bit more pastel. You're going to kind of see that come right now. So you can see how it's going to look. So you kind of toned it down a bit. So that is what I want to do. And we're going to go in back and forth with that and making sure that we get that very clear there. You see how I kind of toned it down to like a little baby pink? So that is what I'm going to be doing here, and just make sure that I blend it. Next, I am going to be going in with the Jeffree Star and Morphe palette. We're going to go in with and we're going to be using that color to put it in the middle of that pink right here, and just tapping the product in there and making sure that we're going to blend it a little bit right now. And right now, as you guys can tell, I'm just tapping the product in there, and then we're going to go in with white from the C1 from the Norvina palette, and then tap it over and just kind of blend it in. And it's going to create that mint color that I want. I am going to be using the shade D4 from the Norvina palette. We're going to dip into this, and we're going to get a little bit, because we're also going to blend it in with the white to get that baby blue that I'm looking for. And we're going to be packing that to the outer corner. And I like to go little by little because I am scared of that blue. So we want to make sure that we blend it out and just tap the product in there. I feel like these colors are very airy, and that's why they like that's what they're saying about like the kind of like pastel colors, because Libras is an air sign. So we want to make sure that we're capturing that too on our look. Do you see how kind of that made it like a baby blue? I really love that white from the Norvina palette because it really does make the colors pastel, and it blends any shade that you want. And I really do appreciate that. It's so pretty. So now what I want to make sure to do is go back in with that Nate color from the Morphe palette and Jeffree Star, and make sure that I blend that with the blue as well. And just make sure we're blending it out. And we're blending that color in with that blue. Do you see how pretty that looks? That is giving me Powerpuff vibes. I did not realize this look was going to turn out like that. Which Powerpuff girl were you? I was Bubbles. I mean, that's Somi Bubbles. It's Somi. And I see it. That is really cute. We're going to go ahead and add the white inner corner because I feel like that will look really nice in this occasion. And just add it right here and make it stand out. So now I'm going to go in with the House Laboratories eyeliner in Punk. And we're going to go ahead and add ourselves the wing liner. So I'm going to be doing a double wing liner so you guys can see what I'm doing right now. I'll show you guys right now really quick. We're going to go ahead and just create a wing. I want to make sure I get this right. Now I'm going to go in with the liquid eyeliner from Anastasia Beverly Hills. We're going to be using this because it has more of a brush tip vibe, and I really like that, and it's more flexible. So I'm going to be using this brush for the top of the eyeliner. So I'm going to make sure that I kind of connect those, and I'm going to start right over here in the end. This is like really hard to do, so I'm just gonna make sure I get it right. So, but I'm almost done. So far, this is how the look is coming up. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other eye and put some mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the eye look I did. I ended up just putting white eyeliner in the inner corner and like the waterline on my eye, and I just put some mascara and some lashes. These are my Baddie B lashes in the style Baddie. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put my lips on. I'm going to be going in with the House Laboratories. This is in the shade Talk Dirty. This is my favorite color. I honestly been using it a lot. So I just wanted to use it today since my eyes are kind of really bright. I don't want to do too much on the lips. So we're going to go ahead and apply this. And I'm only adding this to line my lips a little bit. And then we're gonna go in with another color, just a little lighter, and just kind of like tone it down a bit so it doesn't look too dark. I'm going in with this one, which is Dust from House Laboratories, and it's like a lighter one, and I'm just gonna put this in the middle of my lips to kind of make it more like an ombre look. You can't really tell the difference, but it's a little bit lighter. Now I'm going to go in with my highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and we're going to just go ahead and highlight the cheeks so it can look really cute and bright. And of course, to finish off this look, I really just need to do this and tell you guys about this. I'm going to be putting a Milk Makeup Zodiac sign stamp, and this one has the Libra sign. You guys can't really see it there, but it has it right there. And I'm going to be adding this to kind of just pay homage to my Zodiac sign. So we're going to go ahead and apply this over here. Do you want to make sure you get it right? There you go. See? Cute. Oh my god, these stamps are really, really cute. I do want to say they do stain, so you're going to have to take it off with like an oil-based makeup remover. But yeah. Okay, guys, so this is the final look of my Zodiac makeup challenge. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I had so much fun creating this look. I thought it was really, really fun to be able to like talk about my Zodiac sign and talk about Zodiac in general and kind of show you guys why I kind of relate to being a Libra, because there's some things that I read, I'm like, that is so me. Let me know in the comments below your Zodiac sign, your birth chart, and let me know in the comments below what do you guys think of this look. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and please subscribe and be part of my family. If you guys are not following me on my Instagram and Twitter, go ahead and follow me there. I'm always posting there, and I'm always posting there on my stories. Thank you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys next time.